Transition both guys into number 4. Let's see how it goes here. Nice, both of them fill it up. Quick transition here to get tricky.
7. Joey is the leader. James is the chaser.
Yo, Joey out in front with the pink bull R7. James preparing to go into battle. Guns are out, ready for battle right now. Here we go in the chase position. There goes James and the pink bull, Joey Casmita in the lead position.
Lifters ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Joey off the line into the chicane. The pink bull goes on the main straight. James is right there, ready to initiate with them. Tighter line from James, and he makes it work. Makes a big correction, but dives right into the clipping zone number 2, rubbing his bumper onto the door of the pink bull. Snappy transition with both guys into number 4. Let's see how it goes here. Nice, both of them fill it up. Quick transition here to get tricky, but both of them keep it clean. James once again showing domination over the finish line like he always does.
Yung pick, di ba? Ngayon, kapalit sila ng
5.75 advantage to Joey Casmita, because first flipping James shortly, then a little bit touch second flipping. Let's see the second round. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
James out in front this time. Pink bull chasing it down. Joey Casmita onto the main straight. Taking a shortcut onto the main straight. Big flip from James. Basically fills up the whole flip zone 1 into flip zone 2. Both doing a snappy transition in that zone. There we see Joey having some trouble, but James flicking onto the wall into flip zone 3 and into 4. Both of them touch it. Transition here. Big flip from James. Just when you thought you could predict the future.
Winner, Joey Casmita!
And there we go, big upset, Joey Casmita